Hello, Jason. I thought I'd start this by talking about a dream I had last night. Um, I found myself in this space between two worlds, observing this giant pod object. It was a bit like a sphere or an orange that had been cut in half, and it was shining a light from one world. Was receiving the light, and then the other world, it was taking the light. So one world was very warm and orange, and the light was shining into this pod, which then was shining into this other blue kind of sea world, where it was kind of dark and blue, and it was being lit by this orange light, and it's creating these beautiful effects. And you could see this sort of this circle or an ellipse cast on these waves of this orange light. And after exploring the pod for a while and being sort of between the two worlds, I found myself going more into the sea world, and instead of being straight away in the light, I was first of all behind this curtain in a darker area, and tried to get through, and I had to sort of maneuver myself around and push over a rock to sort of push myself through the water, where there were all these different kind of currents, and I gave myself a big enough push, and I pushed through this sort of curtain of cloud and moved into the spotlight space, where there were these eddying currents that were drawing things into the middle of this ellipse, and along with me and my parents and a horse and a dog, and all this sort of energy was moving around the horse's head and the dog's head, and I'm not really quite sure what was going on, but it felt like a nice dream that came after our talk yesterday.